Pure Gold director shocked at SB19's live performance at OPM Con 2025. Sir Chris Kahilig is Pure Gold's director since the first OPM Con in 2024 and now in 2025. Of course, he has met SB19 and has watched them perform in 2024. But in the recent Pure Gold OPM Con 2025, it looks like our boys has surprised him even more. After the said concert, Sir Chris took to Facebook to share his admiration towards SB19. He posted, "Ang SB19 parang di tao kung mag-perform. Parang superpower nila ang pagsayaw at pagkanta. And this is big coming from the director himself." Pero eto din talaga ang usual reaction ng mga nakakatrabaho ng SB19. Kung napahanga na noon ay mas napapahanga pa ngayon. And also, here are a few reactions from those first time na mapanood ang SB19. One posted, "First time seeing SB19 and wow, ganito pala pakiramdam. First SB19 concert ever, ibang level." Another said, "Gets na gets ko na kayong mga 18. Sobrang ibang klase ang SB19 sa stage."